Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Tākaro Tribe, what are you all doing today?
We're playing a game called 10-pin bowling. Your turn, eh? Here I go. I knocked over tahi, rua, tūru, bottle.
That's an awesome game.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Hipi and Koti have invited you to play with them.
Yay! We love playing with them.
Bring your plastic bottles, eh? They could be useful. But first, Kōkā wants to see you.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're going to play with Hipi and Koti. And we brought some plastic bottles we collected.
Great work, eh? What will you do with them?
We can make a poi ho hauera. Hot air balloon to fly in.
That sounds fun, But a hot air balloon will be hard to make.
Has so many ideas, sometimes they make us tired. I know! We could make a chair. So when makes us tired, we can sit and rest.
Making a tūru out of plastic bottles is a fantastic idea. Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Hipi and Koti have invited you to play soccer in the ngahere.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said we could make chairs out of these plastic bottles.
That's very practical, Hipi and Koti will need chairs so the ngahere whānau can watch the game.
But we don't know how to make chairs.
That's okay. I'll show you how. First, we glue 4 flattened plastic bottles together. This forms the seat. Then we glue a bottle to each corner for the waiwai, legs. Then 4 flattened bottles along the back make the backrest. Then you have a tūru, chair.
Ooh! Whoa! Whoa!
Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags. Ah, you can collect pepper, paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mātuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e.
Pooh, watch out for the rugby field.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere, forest.
Yay! Pāpā Rākau said Hipi and Koti are playing soccer on the rugby field. Look, I can see a playing field. It has big goalposts.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Meh. Welcome to the rugby field, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora e Koti, kia ora e Hipi, kia ora weta.
We have a problem. Weta made us a net for our goal. He wove vines around the bottom of the rugby posts. But we don't have seating for spectators. So the forest whānau can watch the game.
Whoa! That's huge! How do we make seating?
Wait! Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Tūru, chair, is the word of the day.
How does that help us make seating for spectators? I know! Let's make some tūru, chairs out of these plastic bottles! But we need lots and lots of plastic bottles. There's lots of spectators.
Will these do, Tākaro Tribe?
Yay!
made the best seating ever. Thank you so much, Tākaro Tribe.
Hei konei TVNZ. There's nothing better than playing with our friends. The best day ever.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
We played soccer and had so much fun.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Tūru.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You played 10-pin bowls using plastic bottles as pins. Weta helped Hipi and Koti transform the rugby field into a soccer field. He made seating out of plastic bottles so the ngahere whānau could watch the game. And you learned a new word. Tūru. Tūru. Now that was a fantastic day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro.